COMM, stock analysis Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Commscope holding company stocks been sitting at $5.73, 4.36% up. The way that I'm observing this is, sure thing, I'm looking to take things higher. I mean, just for context, I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips. And after a lot of data collected by me, it's on my YouTube channel, I've figured out like what has worked for me, what has not, and actually combining all that data that I've also had from these courses and mentorships. The previous drawing was just me expecting bullish price action. I mean, that delivered and we pulled back down. So now this is an opportunity to maybe position, to like get in a position where it's going to be a buy. I mean, yeah, sure thing is that I'm looking for upside thing, because as you can see from the previous kind of scene where I showed you how it has been going up for such a long time. And with COMM, like if the price pulls down and gives me a proper double break, then we're cooking. I mean, everything else is just noise for me. So sure thing is that will continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.